can want to make come on leg. I'ma show you go there, no complaint. I'ma go there, also go sharp. I'ma not get stone they play. I'm in the mood. I'ma get feeling the ground. I do marry no one like you. Tabaja de baba shot de leo.
It's been a beautiful journey with my wife. My wife today. What can I say about my beautiful wife? Ayoka. The one that my heart yearns for. The one that brings peace to my turmoil. The one that, I don't know what quality and what qualities I should use. I think I've exhausted them during the proposal date, but she's not here now, so I guess I have to say them again. That's the love of my life right there. She's the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Hi, my name is Lola. I'm a friend of Adedolapo, and Adedolapo has been my friend since 2020, and we've been good to each other. She's a very good person, very nice, loyal. She comes through when you need her, and I just want to pray that today, as she does her wedding, that she would enjoy it, and there will be fruitfulness in the wedding, joy unspeakable in the wedding, in Jesus' name.
Abidemi, I'm happy to be going on this journey with you, and I hope God blesses us with all our heart desires. I pray God grants us with plenty kids, cute babies, cute little bowed babies like we used to say, and I pray God grants all our wishes. And I want you to know that this is the beginning of something sweet in our life, and I will always love and cherish you.